Hello everyone, today we are going to try the Sarris chocolate covered pretzel, chocolate milk. This is our first impression. I finally found this today. If you are in the Pittsburgh area at Shop and Save, they had it. So, all right, you ready to try this?
Yeah.
Should I shook it up first, huh?
Yes.
Let's shake this up. Ooh, it does smell like the chocolate pretzel. All right, here goes nothing. I like it. It definitely tastes like Sarris's chocolate that goes on the chocolate pretzel, and it is a little salty, but I like it. I wouldn't say it tastes just like the salted covered pretzels, but it definitely has that Sarris chocolate taste. That chocolate that goes over the pretzel. See what you think.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. It definitely is salty.
Yeah.
It has like that saltiness to it.
It's not really over salty where you can't drink it though. But it's still pretty good. Tastes like your typical chocolate milk. Yeah.
It definitely has that Sarris's chocolate taste. If you know Sarris, you know how their chocolate tastes, especially on the chocolate pretzels. That's probably their best, my favorite thing there, other than the jelly beans are back. So this is my Easter present to myself. My family knows how much I love these jelly beans. If this is the only thing in my Easter basket, I'm happy.
I'm a diabetic. I don't consume these types of things.
Not usually. So yeah. You used to love chocolate milk though, so.
Yes, I did.
So I don't know
more.
Out of a one out of a 10, I definitely would give it like an 8, I guess.
Yeah, I'd give it an 8. It tastes like your typical chocolate milk.
Yep.
It's pretty good.
And it's Schneiders. You can't go wrong with Schneiders milk. They have the best milk.
Just gotta make sure you shake it up.
Yep. All right. Well, thanks for watching. And this is our first impressions video. We'll hope to do some more of these and be on camera more. We're starting to get a little bit more comfortable with that.
Arby's fish sandwich is coming.
Tomorrow's Arby's fish sandwich. We're trying Arby's tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day. Bye. Bye. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell. See you soon. Bye.